students. Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine.
Okay. Do you smoke cigarettes? Okay. Explain.
The components we use are jumper cables,
Okay.
breadboard, buzzer, resistor, LED, sensor, and UNO.
Okay.
When smoke comes near the sensor, it will sense it and show the graph.
Okay.
This is serial plotter.
And if we go to the tools and we go to serial monitor, first close the serial talk about. Yes, ma'am. Here. Thinking the last. Last one. Go to serial.
Here it will show if the air quality is good or dangerous. When the sensors the smoke, it will show as the air quality is dangerous.
And the gas level change.
And if the sensor stops, yes, ma'am. When it stops, it shows good, air quality is good.